Welcome to Mon Jardin au Coin. I actually am recording this intro after I did what I'm getting ready to do. You'll probably see it in the description, but I'm actually in my robe right now because I wanted to come out and do a little extra. But you have those days that are just like not so good, they're a little rotten, and then you come out to your garden or whatever it is that you enjoy, and nature pulls through, or something pulls through for you and just kind of makes you a little bit feel better. Well, that happened to me today, so I hope everybody is doing well, and as much as I am encouraging you guys to keep your chin up, I'm going to try to do the same. So I will show you what's going to happen right now. So I will flip the camera around so you can see. I don't say it, but the saffron bloomed. Yay! Well, it looks like I may have missed the blooming, and then something's digging in here. But it's the blooming. They bloom really fast. Maybe I can still salvage these. Look at that. Sweet little crocuses. Saffron. I think I'm still going to try to harvest them. See what I can come up with. Alright. I've never harvested saffron before, so this will be a new one. I'm sure it's a new one for a lot of people out there. But what you basically do is you harvest these red ones, these red little, I always forget what they are called, stamen? I think stamen is the word. So, I'm going to pull them. Oops, I dropped part of one in there. There it is. Didn't pull all of it off either. I probably just wasted like $30 of saffron. There we go. Still has a little teensy little shreds of it, but I'm gonna leave it. This one will probably be, wonder if it'll bloom tomorrow. As you can see, the daylight is very short right now. Look, something is digging in here. I don't know if it's a squirrel or if it's the little neighbor cat comes around here and does this, or what it is, but I'm going to cover you back up here. There we go. Okay, let's see if we can harvest from these other ones. So pretty. I might be doing this wrong, so if somebody can see this and thinks I'm doing it wrong, please tell me in the comments. So we can all learn together. Yay. I'm gonna lay them out probably on like parchment paper or something so that they can dry. And then I'll put them in. Oh, such a pretty red. Put them in dishes, but I'll probably put them in like a little ice jar that I have. Okay, a couple more here that I can do. I'm sorry, there are 3 per crocus. Oh man. This is where, you'll see on the pictures and videos where people are harvesting them, where they use, look at that, look how pretty. They'll use tweezers to pull them out. I think I need to get a pair of tweezers or something. Look at that, they're so pretty. quite a few. I still have, this one has, let's see, where are you at? Right there. Has 2 of them coming up from one. We have a couple more little guys coming up from this one too. So yeah, probably have quite a few more that I can harvest. So I just need to keep my eye out the next couple of days, I suspect. So, got another little guy over here. This will definitely be tomorrow. This is in the green stalk, which you guys have not seen my video yet. One of these days I will edit it and put it up. So pretty. All right, I am going to go ahead and pick the flowers, which I was kind of checking in, and they were saying to go ahead and pick the flowers and then pull the little threads, is what they're called, or the stamen, which is the saffron spice. But I'm gonna go ahead and pick these because why not? I can put them in a little cup or a vase and take them to work with me or something like that, and so I'll have a nice little flower arrangement. Some of them are a little spent, but I think a couple of them will be okay. So let's just go ahead and do this. There. They do smell really good. Okay, let's see here. They kind of smell like a tulip, or maybe like a little different than a tulip, but very similar. If you can imagine that. Oh, this little guy, poor thing. I'll probably just cut this one off of here. And all right, well, I have my little bouquet now, so I'm gonna put it in like a little cup or something. See my mouth? I'll put it in a little cup or something in the house, so we'll have a nice little fragrant bouquet. So, all right, well, happy saffron harvesting. And like I said, if you guys have any tips or tricks how you do it, let me know. Just send me a comment or shoot me an email. Right now I have them in the house laid out on some parchment paper to dry for a couple of days, and then I'll put them in a little jar to keep. So happy saffron harvest.